Hello. So here we have the man behind Khana Man himself, Abhishek. Welcome.
Hi, hello Rashmi.
Hello. So what is Khana Man? Who is Khana Man?
Khana Man is your food superhero.
Wow, a food superhero for all the foodies. So why Khana Man? Where did you get this idea from? Very noble though, but कहाँ से आया ये idea?
Yeah, actually, I came back to Ranchi 2 years back, and I saw that there's no service which can get your food delivered at your home, wherever you order it from.
Right.
So आप कभी घर में होते हो, आपको टीवी देखने का मन है, you want to spend the time with your family. So for that case, or even when you're alone,
Right.
and you don't want to cook, you don't want to go out. So for that, we thought we'll launch a service where food would be delivered for you, and it would be your favorite food, and it will be delivered right at your doorstep.
Wow, that sounds really convenient, and that's a very noble thought actually.
Yeah.
Because Ranchi is a city, it's a developing city. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे ओल्ड एज लोग हैं जो खाना ऑर्डर नहीं कर पाते हैं, पर उनको बाहर से खाना चाहिए होता है. एंड दैट्स वेयर आई थिंक खाना मैन एक्चुअली इज अ सुपर हीरो हु इज हेल्पिंग अस. So what about the connection? How do we connect? I mean, the consumer, the restaurants, and Khana Man. ये इन सब तीनों का picture में कैसे आप लाते हो?
So what we do is we have a website
Okay.
and a helpline. So
Okay.
people go to our website and they choose their favorite food.
Wow.
और वहाँ से फिर they can have options of restaurants and what cuisines they want, and they select their food and they place the order to us, and we get it delivered to them.
Wow.
To our logistic services.
So that was food one call away.
Yeah.
And that's your favorite food again. So thank you, Abhishek. Thank you so much for such an elaborate and beautiful description of your Khana Man service. We would be definitely looking forward to it. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.